this video, I will show you how to add text behind video in CapCut. So after you open the CapCut, now insert your video. After you add your video in the timeline, right click on the video, go to copy. So click on the timeline above, right click and paste. So now you duplicate the video. So now select the first video and hide the first video. After you hide the first video clip, now select the second one, go to this video, remove background and remove the background of the second video. So now here is it. So now go ahead now and unhide the first one. After you unhide the first video, all you have to do, go ahead now and click on this text. So now add your text. So now after you insert your text like this, so now I'm going to type for the text. I will go ahead and type in something like this. So now here is my text. So go ahead now and customize the text in this option. So after you finish customizing your text, what you want to add the back like this. So I'll take it like this now. So all I know now, I'll go ahead now and take this video above the text like this. So after you add the video above the text, so now go ahead and click the text like this. So you can go ahead now and customize the text and place it where you want to place it. So now if I play my video, you can see now, go ahead now make sure the second video is aligned with the first one. So I'll take it like this. So make sure the second video is aligned with the first video. So play the video and see. Now the text behind the video in CapCut. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe.